Hi friends, my name is Ritesh Singh. I am going to teach you today how to compile a Java program and write some simple program in Java in console application. So first we have to find out where the Java is installed in my computer. The default location is Java installed it, program file, C program file, Java, JDK and Bean. So this is the path. So I have to copy this path and we have to go for the my computer properties and advanced environment variable, and in path we have to go for the edit system variable, and here I have to add the path. So we can new and control V. So the program file JDK this, and this is the Java path added in my computer. So it's okay. So now I go and check the path. So cmd and here Java C, and we can Java minus the version. So this is a JDK 1.8.2.0 this. So this is how we can set the Java program. Now I am going to write a very simple Java program in Notepad. So this is the public class test demo, and here write public static void main string argv system dot out dot println hello Java. Write anything you want, and we have to save this file same name as a class name. So I'm writing here, I'm going to save this file in D drive. I will save this file in D drive. So control V dot Java, put double quote for the safety, should not take another extension. Okay, so I saved. Now I'm going to compile. So cmd and D drive and Java C test demo.java. So there is a error. Here the interface is unexpected. So I have to check the syntax. So we have to go and edit test demo.java. So we have to open in Notepad, open the file, say D drive. I have to go for the all extension. So this one is the file, so I'm opening this, and here I done the mistake. Public class test demo, public, we have to static void main system of println. Okay, I hope it will work. I'll go and again we compile this. So to compile this, so expected identifier expected so spelling is wrong, so you have to write public class, and here also static void main, save, and then again we compile here. Okay, so now it okay. So Java test demo. Now to run the program we have just give Java test. Okay, so hello Java. So this is how we can write. In this way we can write and compile, and if there is some syntax error we can correct it also. And so here we can write and correct the things very without using any third-party development tool. So thank you very much for now. We will learn more in the coming session where we learn the syntax and everything about the Java. Don't worry. Till now, goodbye. Take care and subscribe my channel. Like it, subscribe it, and press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Good night.